Hello my little frog's legs, how you all doing today? Good, I hope. Right, today I'm going to be turning this £1 Irish coin into a ring. So first of all, yeah, you guessed it, same old, same old. There's a good chance I want to miss quite a few videos this month because I know. Let's go. I've just started on the Christmas market, and I'm not getting home now till well, 7:30, 8 o'clock at night, and I still have to make some glass as I'm Mr. So-organised. So I'm making this early in the morning. It's about 7 o'clock in the morning now, before I go to the Big Apple, or Isoomena, what it's called. I don't think I'm going to have to keep doing it, unless I can keep doing these in the morning. I still post them the same time, 8 o'clock. But everything's a bit crazy at the moment. Nothing new there, is there? Alright. Yeah, so alright, let's clean it up. This is Christy Burr, my deburring tool. It just cleans up the edges where you punch through. You want to make sure it's nice and clean and no scratches or cracks forming. Otherwise you're going to split your ring. Yeah, yesterday was my first day at the Isoomena, or the Big Apple. It's in Espoo, same sort of place where I live. And my girlfriend came and we had a sack barrow and took everything upstairs and got it all organised, or you know. So I had to take my car, leave my car there all day. Time to go home. I go downstairs to find my car. This car park's like bigger than another planet. It's huge. And I thought I'd gone to the right, but I'm looking for my car for about half an hour. I thought, shit, it's gone. Someone's had it away. Anyway, I was looking in the wrong bloody side when it's the other side. I phoned my girlfriend up and said, oh, someone's nicked my car. So that was that. And then I came home last night. Needs a bit more. And I had to make some glass. And the video, it's just too much. So I might do the videos in the morning, like this, see how it goes. I don't want to miss any, because I like doing them. Anyway, enough chit chat, bit more action. Let's give it some love with Bernie. Yeah, that might work. I'll do the videos in the morning. I still post them at the same time, and I can make a bit of glass when I get home. I'm getting too old for all this rushing around like some crazy man. I do this because I like it. I like doing it. It's not as though, you know, I'm desperate for a couple of quid. I actually enjoy doing this. In fact, I love it. It's addictive, this coin making game. Right, there you go. So it looks like the stack's been shot through the heart. So this is 17-degree folding die. It's going to have to go this week. Got a bit of the harp era, 1995. So that goes face down. After you choose dyes on this one, because you don't get much on this one. Right, let's go to Big Red. That's what he's got for us. This is a 1 ton arbor press. Right. That should now fit into, say, this one. Yes, it does. It's clever stuff, this, isn't it? It's riveting. I know. Right. Bang. Right, break out Sandy and clean up that edge. Make sure there's no cracks forming, splits forming. So if you're one of my finished subscribers, pop along to the It's a Winner. Come say hi. Be nice to see you. That's looking good. Bit of a shadow here today. Right. Let's get a bit more kitchen roll and go over to Spike. This is my favourite tool in my toolbox. Spike, the ring stretcher. Give a bit of a turn each time. That way it stretches your ring. Oh, shut up. It stretches the ring equally all the way around. You're the one with a sick mind, man, not me. Come on. I'm just being artistic here. Yeah, right. So from Ireland, and you're looking for a nice £1 coin ring, I could be your man. Stand by your man. And yes, Tammy Wynette, I know who it is. I had a bit of a moment there. I asked somebody the other day who it was, they told me. And the next day I said it. I said, who sang that? I told you once already. Tammy Wynette. Hey man, it's an age thing, come on. We're all going to get there. I was just there before everybody else. Right, let's show it a bit more love. And heat it up. Without burning the hair on my arm, would be good. I think this one I'm going to leave it matte. I mean, I like the matte finish. But in fact, why should I keep calling it matte? Let's call it Edwin. This is going to have an Edwin finish because I like the matte finish. No, I like the Edwin finish. Right, let's will this fit in there? Yep, just a little bit. Let's go to the bottom end. I need to tighten up my camera holder. Yeah, just looking to straighten the walls up. Hey, am I good or am I good? Right. Do we have the lip inside? Well, not much of one. It looks like there's one there, but it's... Yeah, if you want to check out my shop, yourfingermyring.com. And that's for the guy that wants me to make him in 1959 half crown. I have ordered some, but yeah, man, if you've got one at home, stick it in the post and I'll do it for you. Oh shit, I'm off camera again. Jesus wept. Sorry, guys and girls. That's pretty good. Right. Okay, Dave. Okay, Bush. You have to plug it back in again. Because I had my kiln on. It's funny, when I've got my kiln on, you can't make a cup of tea. I can't use the kitchen sockets because it's too much. It draws too much power, blows the trip. Yeah, so this is an Edwin finish from now on. Well, if you want this highly polished, I'll highly polish it for you. And all my rings are clear coated. Well, I don't clear coat them until you've bought it. Otherwise, if you want this adjusted, it would ruin the clear coat, so. And the clear coat doesn't last forever, it does wear off. So if you have any allergies or you can always give them a thin coat of clear nail varnish. Which is the same stuff really as the stuff I buy. It's a lot bloody cheaper. I use a spray, so you go and get spray on nail varnish. I will polish the inside of the ring. Okie dokie. my other half cleans these up after I've finished mucking around with them, because my fingers are still covered in bloody oil and God knows what. You get the idea. There you go, folks. Now I like this finish better than the shiny, but that's just me. That's why I use the kitchen roll. Inside there, you got all the text. Well, there's not a lot of text in there, to be quite honest with you, but it does say, please subscribe, please hit the subscribe button and the like button. And it also says, have a great day, and God willing, I'll see you tomorrow. Oh, hey, come on, I'm going to do your job, do it properly. This is a size 72 1/4. I can adjust it up or down for you. Have a great day, be safe, and don't let the bastards get you down. Catch you tomorrow. So bye-bye.